Attach it to this post, okay?
But how will we keep it up?
We'll attach it to this. Don't try this at home, folks. Okay.
But the outlaw didn't worry, meant to try for forward days. 20 men had tried to take him, 20 men had made a slip. 21 would be the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Oh, put your hand down.
The morning passed,
coming down.
it was time for them to meet.
Coming to me, coming.
It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street.
Coming.
Folks were watching from the windows, everybody held their breath. They knew this handsome ranger was about to meet his death. There was 40 feet between them when they stopped to make their play. And the swiftness of the ranger is been loved about today. But he made one fatal slip when he tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Don't judge my carpentry skills. Somebody's talking on there. I hear it. If I fall off this thing and die, delete the footage, because life insurance won't pay out if they knew I was doing this.
Just show the evidence.
Evidence.
Here. I'll at least hold the ladder with one hand for you.
Is this a chisel?
No, it's a. Don't use it like that. No, it's not a chisel. Just really sketchy on the ladder. All right, now this is a really sketchy radio tower. We'll get it all plugged in here in a minute and see how far we can reach.
I'm almost positive that our neighbors love us so much right now.
That what now?
Our neighbors love us so much right now. So what's the plan? We're gonna have a little ham radio station right over here. To be continued. First.
KQ4DPI, calling CQ. KQ4DPI, calling CQ. Kilo, Quebec, 4, Delta, Papa Indigo, calling CQ. Over.
Part 2. A week later, we just decided to go to our local hardware store and grab this flagpole, which basically does the same thing.